So hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. It's Ada here again. So today we are going to be cleaning, and as you guys can see, this is more like my 38 weeks cleaning video, pregnant clean with me, whatever you call it. So this is like the last cleaning video I'm going to be doing before having this baby. I think I had the baby more like few days after this cleaning. Yes, you heard me right. So I had to put everything in order. I had to, and my house was becoming messier by the day because I kind of like was not doing the normal, daily cleaning that I used to do because I was already too tired and not wanting to stress myself much. So my house always gets so messy. So at this point, I was just tired and I wanted to just clean the house because I knew I was about to have this baby was about to pop out anytime soon, like any moment. So I had to leave a clean house before heading back to the hospital and everything. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy watching this video. If you like my content, I do cleaning motivation, organization, vlogs, lifestyle here and there, and you see a little bit of my family. I mean, this is my channel, this is Ada Space, so it's practically me, then a little bit of my family. And yeah, so please do go ahead and join the family. Subscribe, click on that red subscribe button down there, click on the notification bell so you get notified each time I post a new video. I'm trying to be consistent this, like, after having this baby. I'm trying to be as consistent as I can be. It's not easy, that's difficult being a mom of four, but yeah, I'm getting used to this lifestyle. This is my life right now. So yeah, I'm getting used to it and adjusting and just doing whatever, living life as it comes, enjoying myself, enjoying the moments and everything. So yeah, so you can see all that dirt. I usually just use this brush to kind of like brush out all the big dirts that the vacuum cannot pick up, so that way I don't have to bend down so often, trying to pick up the dirt and I just use this to move them out of the way and pack them up in the trash, and then I can vacuum easily. That works for me. So that's it. So I hope you guys, if you love my channel, which I know you do, I know you will, I know you do, I know you will, please go ahead and subscribe and join the family. I'm really happy to have you here, and yeah, let's keep it going. If you have any video suggestions, don't forget to leave that in the comment section down below, and I'll definitely do that. I need you guys, I really need video suggestions. I mean, if you have any questions for me, please do go ahead and ask away. Ask questions and I'll definitely do my best to answer everything. So yeah, and wait, this is like the last cleaning video you guys will be seeing in this house or in this apartment. Yeah, I didn't want to say that. I was just trying to keep that because I didn't even film any moving vlog or anything like that. So because I was tired, I just did not want to. That's just the truth. So yeah, this is the last video you guys will be seeing in this apartment. I mean, I'll miss it kind of, nah, I don't think I'll miss it. It was, yeah, the apartment was a little bit of hell, kind of, while I was in it. So but that's a story for another day. That's fine, nothing serious, but yeah, so I wouldn't really miss it. I mean, it's I love where the house I am in now, so I love it so much. And yeah, so that's it. So you guys, like, the next cleaning videos you guys are going to be seeing will definitely be from the new house and everything. And you guys, I did some decors. You guys are definitely going to love it. So just subscribe, okay? Just subscribe and follow on, and I'm trying to be consistent to keep posting. So while cleaning, of course, you have to do some mommy dishes. Look at me trying to do some air fried chicken for my kids. Like, they just ask you for things when they know you're busy working or trying to do something. That's when they start asking you for things. Can you please give us some chicken? Can you please do this? Can you please do that? But yeah, so see me trying to clean up and also doing my mommy duty, trying to make them some chicken. So yeah, washed off the dishes. I mean, of course you can see I washed off the dishes. I know, I'm sorry. But yeah, cleaning up and doing everything. I just kind of like enjoy cleaning up. Whenever the house is clean, it just gives me this joy. It's just such a vibe. Like you just feel good. I don't know, but I don't know about any other person, but I just look around and I just feel so good. It's just such a vibe. The whole place smells amazing. It's clean and it just gives you a different kind of vibe. You just feel some type of way. I don't function well when the house is really like disorganized and just messy. Mind you, most times we do leave our house, like I don't bother cleaning all the time because I want to have something to clean, right, for you guys to see. So that's just how sometimes some people be like, oh, you like cleaning but your house is always, no, it's not. It's just that you have to leave it that way so that you can have videos to make. If that makes sense, of course it should. So yeah, that's what we practically do. Just leave the house, don't bother cleaning, try to shut your eyes and pretend like you don't see it. And then when the mess is just too much and all over the place, you can clean it, so it can give that satisfying cleaning video motivation and look and everything. So yeah, if that makes sense, of course it should. Okay, so yeah, I just love the cleaning, arranging and everything. And yeah, after this I had my baby like few days after this. Yeah, so let's keep it moving. So if you have not subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe and click on the notification bell. Very important. Please share my video with your friends and family so my channel can get out there. I'm really trying to become more consistent, put out more videos and anything. So just let me know the type of videos you would like to see on here and I'll definitely see it. Please leave it in the comment section. Any question, any video ideas, leave it in the comment section. Okay, thank you. Hey guys, look at how my room is such a mess, and I don't know what happened, but as I was editing this video I realized the cleaning for the room was not complete, and I have looked everywhere for that video. I don't know where else to look for it, and I don't know, so you guys will manage whatever you see. I hope you guys are enjoying this video. I hope you guys like this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, click on the notification bell, like, share, leave a comment down below your business, video ideas and everything down below, and I'll definitely get back to you. If you have any requests, any collaboration, whatever, just email me or leave a comment, whichever one is fine. Just email me. My email is always down below. So yeah, I hope you guys finish out to see the final look and everything. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Yeah, so I'll definitely be seeing you guys in my next video, so keep on watching to see the finished look and everything.